Oh, it's all gone wrong. What a day. What a day in the shed. Welcome back to Silverpunk, folks. Today I got a couple of projects on the go. First one up is this Viking Beauty panel. This is a 3D print I'm going to use. Now this one took me ages to print out. It was about 5 hours in total, but it's well worth it. Look at the quality of it. First step as always is to get some powder on. I'm using corn flour again, so just a very light dusting so it doesn't stick to the sand. Now the first layer of sand I'm going to sieve very fine, so this just helps. It gives you a very good impression. It makes it nice and crisp on the panel because it's nice and fine sand. And now what I like to do is push it down really hard, but I hold the print in place and I make sure that the flask doesn't move. So you just work your way around and push it in nice and firm. Oh yeah, here we go. So now I just scrape off the excess sand with a trusty dough slicer and get it nice and flat, nice and smooth. Now I've just dusted it again with some flour and I'm popping the top of the flask on, and we just redo the process. We just pack it in again nice and firm, and then we just scrape it off again and we'll be ready for the furnace. Now it's time to get the pour hole sorted, and yeah, I don't know what happened here. This is where it all starts. The day starts to unravel, as it were. As you can see, I've done the normal one. This is what I normally do. If you've seen any of my other videos, just a normal, I don't know what you get, a sprue, just a normal sprue hole like that. And for some reason, I just got it into my head that I needed to do another one to the side, to the left. And I've watched this video a few times because obviously I've edited it, and I I still don't understand what I'm about to do, why I'm going to do it. Yeah, I'm not sure. It was just one of them days. Well, a couple of days, as you'll see. Yep. What am I doing? What the words fail me. I don't know what happened here. What I was thinking, what I was doing, I just have no idea. So now it's time to use the old masking tape. There you go, and look at that, it's come out really cool. Looks really crisp. But yeah, that sprue just, I still can't understand what I did. But there you have it. Now I'll be totally honest with you, it did worry me, so I did it all again. So yeah, had to redo all that because of the sprue hole. But there we go, let's get on with the port. So there you go, as you can see, the Viking pour, it's just missing all the side, which is such a shame after all that work, because obviously, you know, I've done it twice. It was just yeah, it's one of them days. So that's got to be all redone and melted down. So I thought I'd go on to the next project now, which is a four piece panel. And I've done, as you know, I've done lots of these, and I thought, right, let's crack straight into it and get the Broken Beauty on the go. These are the 3D prints for it, and it really is a cool piece. So looking forward to get this one going. But again, we have some mishaps, so just settle in, and you can see how the rest of my day went. You got to watch to the end to see. It's just comical, but have fun, guys. So here we are. We're nearly geared up for the first pour of the panel, and yeah, what can I say? It was one of those days. Oh, folks, I'm having a nightmare. I just went to put more. I've tidied up a little bit, as you can see, stuff everywhere. I just went to put more grain in the furnace, and for some reason, I just totally missed, and it's gone all over here. I've tidied it up. It was all over the top of the furnace, so I had to act quick because obviously I don't want silver melting on top and not actually in the crucible. But it's I don't know where you can pick it off. I've got most of them, but you can see some of them there. Absolutely went everywhere. 200 grams went everywhere. I've tried to salvage it, but as you've seen, we're not having a good day today. We had the first down here. I'm trying to cut it up. We had that one. It just didn't work, did it? If you remember, it just didn't work, and it's just not working. It's not working. Well, I got Si looking over me. Look, hey, should come back tomorrow, Si. Have another go. Oh, so there we go, guys. Yeah, I called it. Just not happening today. 4 pours attempted, 4 absolute dead losses, and a horrendous spillage. I had a nightmare, and this is coming over to the piece. I'm trying to get this Broken Beauty done, which is an absolutely lovely panel, but as you can see, just not come out. I mean, look at that. That is horrendous. Look at that. Just shocking. So yeah, it's just not good enough. If you do want to see a video where I get stuff right, check this panel pour up here. It's an absolute belter, one of my favourites.